Hi, my name is Laura Leckley. I'm the adult programmer at the Erlanger Library of the Kenton County Public Library. I'm going to show you today how to do our teen craft, which is going to be Celtic knot jewelry. This is going to be part of our Pinterest series, and I'm going to do a how-to video. For the craft today, we're going to use parachute cord. You can get in multiple colors. I'm just doing 2 different colors for St. Patrick's Day. You also need a parachute buckle, and then a ruler and scissors to cut the parachute cord, and then we will need a hot glue gun later on to secure it. First, you're going to take the parachute buckle, take it apart, and take each cord. I have these cut to be 6 feet, and you want to find the center. Then you're going to want to loop this through to secure it to the buckle. Pull it through the loop. And as you're working the whole craft, you want to make sure that the cords stay on the same side throughout it, so it has a more uniform look. I'm going to take a piece of tape now and just tape the buckle to the table so that I can pull and have easier to do the knot. With the right one, you're going to make a loop. You kind of want to hold it separate with your fingers. Then you're going to take this cord and you want to go over this one, under that section, over this section, under that one, and then over this last one, and then pull it. Now when you get it, before you pull it really tight, again, you want to make sure that the colors are all the same way, that green is on one side and the black throughout the whole thing. So once you have enough knots tied that it's the length that you want, you're going to take the ends and attach the other end of the buckle. And again, just try to keep the colors all the same. On this bracelet, I have black on the outside. Pull it tight. And then what I did was I looped them around and tucked it back into the center one last time just to get it very secure. And then you'll flip it over. And where the ends are right here, you'll take the hot glue gun and glue it right there and hook it to the bottom of the clasp, so that when it's flipped over, you won't see it. Besides bracelets, you can make all different types of crafts. You can also make necklaces. There's headbands you can make, pretty much anything, because the knots are just a really neat effect. We are actually going to make a few in our teen craft programs as well, and we're going to have different colors and different options, and you can just diversify all the different crafts. Thank you for tuning in to our Pinterest craft series today. If you need any more information, you can check out our website at www.kentonlibrary.org, or you can come into the libraries and ask for more information. And thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a good day.